In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the Upstream oxygen sensor on this Ford F-350 with a 6.2 liter V8 engine. There's one on each side. You can actually see it right up there. You access both the same way from underneath the truck. Let's get started. If you follow the wire for the sensor, you'll see that it leads right up on the side of the transmission. We're going to have to pop it out of that retainer in order to disconnect it. It's easiest to do this with a pry bar, because all you need to do is lift up on it until it pops out. Now if you spin the connector to where you can see this tab, you want to press on it and pull this apart. Now when it comes to removing the sensor from the pipe, what you want to do is get an O2 sensor socket slid right over it. You can also use a 22mm wrench, but that might be a little more difficult. And once you get this right over, you can put a ratchet on the end of it and unthread it. Well, it may be necessary to apply some heat, which happens sometimes, and you want to do that if you're going to do it before it strips anything out or breaks anything. Got it nice and hot. Let's see if we can break it free now. Oh yeah. Sometimes some heat is all you need. Unthread it all the way. And there it is. Take the new O2 sensor and start it into the threads. Grab your O2 sensor socket, slide it over, and tighten it up. All right, that got pretty tight. Give it a little extra. All you need to do is squish the gasket that's right in between the pipe or the threads and the base of the O2 sensor. That's what's going to create the seal that you need. So once that's squished a little bit, that's plenty tight. Once again, you can do this easily with a 22mm wrench as well. Take the wire and let's plug it back in. Make sure it's lined up and make sure it clicks. Okay, that's locked in, and all we need to do now is secure it right up on top from where we removed it from. My clip is a little bit damaged, so the best I can do is to tuck it up in there. But there you have it. Sensor is replaced. Once again, the procedure is the same for the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.